This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the lock screen editor. Press and hold the lock screen until the Customize button appears. Tap Customize, then pick the lock screen you want to change. Make sure your device runs iOS 16 or newer and that the apps you need offer lock screen widgets. Once done, tap the widget area below the clock to add or replace items. I'll show why each choice matters and how it affects glanceable info so you get exactly the widgets you need. Next, focus on adding and arranging widgets. Tap a slot beneath the clock and a panel opens with available widgets and sizes. You can scroll through, tap to add, or press and drag a widget to reorder slots. This is why placement matters for quick glances. Make compact widgets for minimal clutter, larger ones for more data. Once you finish arranging, use the preview to confirm readability and tap Done to save your layout. Then test by locking. To finish, tap Done to save changes and then lock and wake your iPhone to test the new lock screen. Make sure widgets update and respond when you glance. If data seems stale, open the app to refresh permissions. If widgets don't appear at all, check that the app supports lock screen widgets, update the app, and restart the phone. If problems persist, toggle background app refresh and widget permissions in settings. That usually resolves missing or frozen widgets quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.